Welcome. In this video I'll be showing you how to export your already designed Instabuilder page and import it into the online server or your site that is running online currently. So now remember that you'll be worked offline. So we're going to come to localhost, and I will open the sales page, the site I used in creating the sales page, WP admin. Now lest I forget, if you want to access the admin area of your site just as the site we created, all you need to do is to come to localhost to your browser, type localhost/tutorial/wp-admin. Okay, we didn't log out, that's why it's still showing. So but when you are logged out, it's not going to show. It's going to show something like this. Then you enter your username and your password. So for this particular website that I'm using to design my sales pages, I'm going to enter the username and my password. I'll enter the username and the password and I click on enter. Let me log out from here. So all I need to do is to come to wp-admin, and it will bring me back to this point where we have to log in. Put in my username, that is the username this time around is tutorial, and the password is tutorial. So let's go back to what we want to do. So this is my Instabuilder. I'll simply click on my Instabuilder, and when it opens, I will look for the page that I want to export to my online server. And mind you, by now you must have set up your website that is running online efficiently, and you must have installed Instabuilder 2 on that website. So now this is the site I want to, this is the page I want to send online. I'll click on it to verify the page. So this is the page I want to export. I want to verify it. So I will come over to this point, and I will click on the settings icon. I will click on export. I'll click on download, and I have to remember the file name. This is the file name, 349. Then it's done. So I'll come to my online server or my website that is running currently online, and I will come to Instabuilder. I'll click on Instabuilder. I will click on import. It's still loading. Can import, and I'll click on browse. I will look for the file. Remember, it's upload IB 2.0 file. So I'll look for the file. It should be in my download IB, and this is the file because it's 349. I'll click on open. Now click on import now. Okay, so we have our site up. Let's wait for it to load completely. So at this point I want to change the permalink. I want to give it a link that I prefer, onlinebusinesshotspot.com/new page. Let me call it new page. Click on OK. Since I don't have any editing to do on it again, I've already done the editing offline. Let me copy this. This is our website URL. Okay, then next thing I will change the page settings, page info and SEO, and I will change it to the name of my website, new page, or the name of my sales page. Enter meta description and enter meta tag, and I will hide. Then at this point I will click on publish so that it will go live. Now click on save once again. Okay, so right now I can click on preview page to see how the page looks like. I can come to a new tab, and I will enter my site name / the page, the URL to the page, that is new page, and I'll click on enter. Why this is this, that is it. So that means that the site is up and running. So this is how to create, so this is how to export your already designed Instabuilder page from being offline to being online. So thank you, and I hope to see you in our next video. So quickly in this video I'll be showing you how to install Instabuilder from your cPanel online. And then in order to do this, I have a website that doesn't have Instabuilder, and if I want to install it online from the website directly, I have to come to plugins and click on add new. But it will not install because Instabuilder is very large. The file size is heavier than the maximum size of file you should upload on your WordPress, that is maximum size of plugin and maximum size of theme. So at this point, instead of trying it from here, the best thing is to go to your cPanel, log into your cPanel, and then come to file manager, locate the directory, and that is my directory of coachmeforsuccess.net. I will open it. I will locate WP content. Since it's a plugin, I'm going to WP plugins, and I'll click on upload. I will select file. Okay, I'm selecting the file, and I'll select this is the Instabuilder. I'll click on open. So it will install completely. We are at 73%, so let's wait for it to complete uploading. Okay, so until you see this green color, that it means that your file has not been uploaded successfully. So you must wait to see this green color. So at this point, I can click here to go back to my folder, or I can come here to refresh, and I'll see the file. This is the file. I can click here, go back, and it will bring me back here. Can you see it? So at this point, all I'll have to do is to extract my Instabuilder from the cPanel into this folder, to this plugin folder, because it must be there. The plugin folder must be in the plugin must be in the plugin folder. A plugin must be in the plugin folder, and a theme in the themes folder. So we reload and refresh. Can you see? This is our Instabuilder. So I will head over to the website, and I'll come to the plugins, and I'll click on install plugins. I'll just refresh it. Look at my Instabuilder 2.0. So I will simply activate. So this is how to install Instabuilder from your cPanel. In case you're having a challenge, or you may have a challenge of installing it, just come to this video and follow the procedure. And there we go, we have our Instabuilder here. It's running online. So I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.